AI in document processing. Here is your same structured, beginner-friendly content. 4. AI in document processing, beginner level, introduction. AI in document processing means using artificial intelligence to read, understand, and extract information from documents automatically. Documents can include invoices, resumes, contracts, forms, emails, PDFs, scanned images. Traditionally, humans read and process these documents manually. AI makes this process faster, more accurate, and automated. Examples include extracting data from invoices, reading resumes for hiring, processing bank statements, understanding legal documents, automating form submissions. This topic helps beginners understand how AI can handle real-world, document-related tasks. It introduces important AI concepts such as optical character recognition, OCR, natural language processing, NLP, data extraction, classification, pattern recognition, automation. What is AI in document processing? AI in document processing is the use of intelligent systems to read, understand, and process documents automatically. In simple words, AI in document processing equals using AI to read and understand documents like humans. A beginner view includes text extraction, document classification, data extraction, information validation, workflow automation, document understanding. Why AI in document processing is important. Manual document processing is time-consuming, error-prone, expensive, difficult to scale. AI helps by automating document reading, reducing human errors, processing large volumes quickly, improving efficiency, enabling digital transformation. Basic areas of AI in document processing area purpose. OCR, text extraction, convert images, PDFs into text. Classification, identify document type. Data extraction, extract key information. Validation, check correctness of data. Document understanding, interpret meaning of content. Workflow integration, connect with business. Systems, example of document data document. Document, type, invoice. Invoice number, INV123. Amount, $250. Date, 2026-0320. Example of AI data extraction text. Invoice number, INV123. Amount, $250. If invoice number in text, print, extract invoice details. Simple AI document processing example, Python. Doc type equals resume. If doc type equals resume, print, extract skills and experience. How AI in document processing works. Step 1. Input document. Documents can be PDFs, images, scanned files, text files. File type equals PDF. Step 2. Extract text, OCR. AI converts images into readable text. Total amount, 500. Print text. Step 3. Analyze content. AI identifies patterns and meaning. If amount in text, print, amount detected. Step 4. Extract key data. Amount equals 500. Print, extracted amount. Step 5. Validate and use data. AI checks and sends data to systems. AI in invoice processing. AI extracts invoice details automatically. Invoice amount equals 300. If invoice amount equals 0, print valid invoice. AI in resume screening. AI scans resumes for relevant skills. Skills equals Python, Java. If Python in skills, print, candidate matches requirement. AI in form processing. AI reads forms and extracts fields. Form field equals name. If form field equals name, print, extract username. AI in document classification. AI identifies document type. Doc equals, this is an invoice. If invoice in doc.lower, print, document is invoice. AI in contract analysis. AI detects important clauses. Contract text equals payment must be made within 30 days. If payment in contract text.lower, print, payment clause found. Full menu-based document processing example. Def classify document. Text equals input, enter document text. If invoice in text.lower, print, invoice detected. Elif resume in text.lower, print, resume detected. Else, print, unknown document. Def extract amount. Amount is int input, enter amount. Print extracted amount, then amount. Def validate data. Amount equals int input, enter amount. If amount to 0, print valid data. While true, print no part. Classify document. Print 2, extract amount. Print 3, validate data. Print 4, exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, classify document. Elif choice equals 2, extract amount. Elif choice equals 3, validate data. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from AI in document processing. OCR basics, text analysis, data extraction, pattern recognition, workflow automation, real-world AI applications. Real-life analogy. AI in document processing is like a smart assistant reading documents for you. It can read documents, understand content, extract important information, organize data. Ways to improve a document processing project. Use OCR libraries. Tesseract. Apply NLP models. Spacey, transformers. Use pre-trained document AI models. Integrate with databases. Build document dashboards. Add validation rules. Use machine learning. For classification, handle multi-language documents. Common mistakes beginners make. Knock. Assuming OCR is always accurate. Ignoring document formats. Not cleaning text data. Overlooking validation. Not handling edge cases. Where AI in document processing is used. Banking, insurance, healthcare, legal systems, HR recruitment, e-commerce, government services, finance departments. Large systems may include invoice automation, resume screening, contract analysis, KYC verification, document digitization. Simple definition. AI in document processing. The use of artificial intelligence to read, understand, and extract information from documents automatically. Final summary. AI in document processing helps organizations handle documents quickly and intelligently. It enables, faster data extraction, reduced manual work, improved accuracy, scalable processing, better decision-making. By learning this topic, beginners understand how AI is used in real-world data handling and automation systems.